Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. We will be diving into Google Earth Engine to build time series of NDWI, Normalized Difference Water Index, and in the next video we will classify the water pixels for each year. Now let's jump into the code. We will be using Sentinel-2 harmonized image collection from the Google Earth Engine. Then we will be using CloudScore Plus to identify cloudy pixel and to filter it out from the images. We then define the years for analyzing, that's between 2018 to 2024, and let's define the function called calculate NDWI. In this, select images for specific years, that is 2018 to 2024, and for the region of interest, then mask it out the cloud pixels based on the threshold. Then calculate NDWI, which highlights the water bodies because water absorbs near infrared light and reflects green light, that is band 3 and band 8 of Sentinel images. We create a median composite for NDWI values, which helps smooth out any outliers in the annual composites. Then clip it to the region of interest. To display the time series and visualization, we use a loop through a list of years and apply calculate NDWI function for each year. This creates a collection of NDWI images for all the years. Then create a legend for displaying the map on the interface. The visualization parameters are used to display the NDWI values on the Earth Engine platform over time. Let's run the code and see the NDWI values displayed on the map interface. These maps are displayed over 2018 to 2024 as shown on the layers, with the legend ranging between -1 to +1 represent land with less water versus water bodies on the NDWI indices. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.